Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in the April Showers Bring May Flowers open collaboration, brought to you by MB Gray Designs. Links to her channel will be in my description box below. So I'm starting off my first DIY with a Dollar Tree straw hat. And I'm going to turn that into a little decorative wreath for your door. So I'm adding these beautiful greenery and flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to add a beautiful yellow butterfly and some yellow Easter eggs as an accent. I'm going to use jute twine to make a hanger for the back and some Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. And there we have it. DIY number 1, a beautiful spring hanger for your front door. For my second DIY, I'm starting off with 2 of these Dollar Tree wooden crates. I'm using a diluted brown paint to stain them. And once my stain is completely dried, I'm going to glue them together to make them one long piece. After that, I'm adding floral foam to the bottom of each, and then I'm going to start placing in my florals. And I finish it off by simply adding a little moss to fill in the cracks. And there we have it, DIY number 2. And please forgive me, my camera died just as I was putting in the florals, but here is the completed look. And DIY number 3 is so stinking easy. I should be ashamed to call it a DIY at all. I got some natural branches from outside in my yard and 3 of these Dollar Tree forsythia picks. I simply plucked off the little buds and attached them to my natural branches with hot glue. And this jelly bean vase is another DIY. And if you haven't seen it, I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. And there it is, DIY number 3. Thank you so much for watching today. Please make sure you stop by our host channel and show her some love, as well as all the other participants in today's open collaboration. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.